Variables like this becomes messy after 10 or more added. To solve this, make an array. Just add the type and square brackets beside. Name it. Then put new and the type, then add its length inside these brackets. And you can initialize this by adding each value based on index. Or, you can also initialize this in one go. Just remove the new, the type, and the length. Do not worry on how many values you will put inside. Add a pair of curly braces, then put the values inside, each separated by a comma. Here you go. Much compact code using arrays. To call a value inside an array, we can use their index, starting from 0 till the array's length -1. You can also use other types aside from string, like int and double, as you see on the screen. For more information about arrays and other types of collection, you can go to this documentation. And here's the final code for our today's tutorial that you can check at our GitHub gist. If you like to support, you can like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy coding everyone!